Hey guys, welcome to the Pendant and Ring channel. Before we get started, subscribe and hit that bell. Today we have 6 great coin necklaces for your jewelry box and 1 money clip. First we have this stunning 1994 Women in the Military silver coin pendant necklace to celebrate the Wonder Woman you know. Next we have a 1901 Empress Victoria 1 rupee coin pendant necklace. Here is a 1907 German silver 5-mark coin pendant necklace in a great bezel. This is a classic coin necklace, an 1891 Morgan silver dollar coin pendant necklace. Next up is a 1930 French 10 francs coin pendant necklace. Remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Featuring the lovely Queen Elizabeth, we have a 1964 silver Bermuda crown coin pendant necklace. To mix things up, we made this African elephant, Republic of Liberia, secure money clip. And lastly, we have a one-of-a-kind, handmade, pirate piece of 8 shipwreck recovery coin pendant necklace. Subscribe and hit the bell to see even more treasures from Pendant and Ring.